Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove Bitmoji clothes on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to remove your Bitmoji clothes on Snapchat, so to do that what you have to do is first open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on that now you'll find this hanger type icon in the left side of your screen. So just tap on that icon, and after tapping on that now you can change your Bitmoji's clothes. So now what you can do is just tap on shirt, and now for example if you want to remove that shirt, then what you have to do is just simply tap on deselect, which is on the left side of your screen. Just tap on deselect, and after tapping on that, here you can see guys the shirt has been removed. Now if you want to remove the jacket, then you just have to tap on jacket, and after tapping on that again tap on deselect, and after doing that here you can see guys the jacket will also been removed. So in this way you can just simply add another jacket if you want, or you can just simply change to some other clothes. So that's it guys, this is how to remove Bitmoji clothes on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.